All right. Here's our three parts, and we're going to reassemble this Rome single action 22 revolver. And we're just going to repeat our original steps. We're just going to do it in reverse order. We're going to open up our loading gate. We're going to take our hammer back to quarter cock. That's when I just like to grab, I like to work over the top of the revolver. And I like to take the cylinder, my left hand, just kind of drop it in here. Just going to kind of fool with it a little bit just on how it's coming in. And there we go. All right. We're just going to kind of look with our loading gate open. You'll notice that it's kind of loose, but it won't spin. And the reason it's not going to spin is right on the bottom, there's a cylinder catch, which is what these little lines here on the side of the cylinder are. And so you can see how it won't spin, but it'll move, it'll rock right to left. And we want it to rock right to left because in the next step of our assembly process, we're going to want to be able to move that cylinder left and right when we're putting that pin back in. So that's when I kind of, before I get to that point, I'm just going to kind of look around. I'm going to make sure everything's still touching together real nicely. Make sure that I don't have any hang-ups on anything. It's looking good. And so I'm just going to shut that loading gate, and I'm going to get ready for our next step.